Fill 1D Numpy array from arrays with indices. Background. I have one 1D Numpy array initialized with zeros. Then I have a pandas data frame where I have indices in 2 columns. For each pair of indices, I want to set the value of the corresponding indices in the Numpy array to true. My current solution. I can do this by applying a function to the data frame. I want to vectorize this operation. This works as I expect, but for the fun of it, I would like to vectorize the operation. I'm not very proficient with this, and my searching online has not put me on the right track. I would really appreciate any suggestions on how to make this into a vector operation, if at all possible.
The trick for the implementation to follow is that we would put 1s at every start points and 1s at every end points on the zeros initialized in array. The actual trick comes next, as we would cumulatively sum it, giving us non-zero numbers for the positions covered by the bin, start-stop pair, boundaries. So, the final step is to look for non-zeros for a final output as a Boolean array. Thus, we would have 2 vectorized solutions, with their implementations shown below. Sample run.
Vectorization. You have already done the most important vectorization by using slice assignment, but you cannot fully vectorize this using slices since Python does not support multiple slices. If you really badly want to use vectorization, you can create an array with the true indices, like this. But this will most likely be slower, since it creates a new temporary array with indices. Removing duplicate work. With that said, you could gain some speed-ups by reducing duplicate work. Specifically, you can take the union of the ranges, giving you a set of disjoint sets. In your case, the first interval overlaps all except the last one, so your data frame is equivalent to. This reduces the amount of work by up to 60%. But first we need to find these intervals. Following the answer quoted above, we can do this by Then you can use these, hopefully much smaller slices, like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.